Hi, I'm Bill from LB Retro. You're probably wondering, I'm in just casual clothes today, just because it's Sunday, and I thought I'd do some listing, and I need to box up a TV. Now this TV is not the biggest of TV, it's only a little tiny one, so it's not exactly, I'd say, the hardest of things to package, but it just gives you an overview. You can pick up these things, package them like a good one, and you're going to see me how I package things, and basically make sure that they get there in good condition and not go through World War III. So I'm going to show you how I package and bring you on the trail. Thanks. Right, the first thing I do is I work out what kind of box I need, and this sort of box is going to be ideal because, as you can see, it's got a nice area around the actual item, so you can put padding. Now, so I'll try and find the box first and try and make it a nice strong box, like a double walled or triple walled if you can, because then it won't cave in when they give it a good smash in the back of the van. Now, you're not exactly going to get this style bubble wrap. This was given to us free from someone that was in the local area. So basically, you cut your bubble wrap and you wrap it up exactly the same as you would your kids' items. Now, one thing to say with the plugs, these things are dangerous. They literally will pierce through anything that you put it in. You just give a smash on the side of the box, you'll find that these pins will go straight through, break whatever it's touching. So what I like to do is, I can't find one, but I'm sure I'll use one somewhere, is to put a bit of bubble wrap round it, or in fact I'd like to use a bubble mailer. Let's try and find one. I've got a whole bag of bubble mailers, but do you think I can find them? That doesn't matter, because if you can't find them, you could use a bit of bubble wrap for this actual thing. So cut a square of bubble wrap, get the tape gun, and tape this bloody plug up. I tell you, you'll thank me for this tip, because customers will get this and then they'll say the plug's broken or it's gone through the parcel. You must make sure that plug is completely taped up. Look, and you see now, that is pretty solid now, and within the package that's not going to do any damage to anything you do. I tend to keep that to the side, out the way. So let's try and get that. And the other thing is putting a nice bit of cardboard on the front as well. That's fine. I usually get some scraps of cardboard, boxes like this sort of box. These Amazon boxes are not the greatest, but they offer a nice protection for TV. So there we go, that's nice. And then we wrap that up like that. Get one little bit of tape like that. Get that nice and secure. That's it. And then another bit like that. Not the most delicate packing, to be fair, I must admit, but it's going to be the safest. Like so. Doesn't have to be pretty. You're not dressing up for a party. There we go. Nice big loads of tape all around it. That does make it more secure. There we go. Put a little bit on the bottom. Like so. Nice and strong. Right, okay. Now it comes down to the box. And what we want to do with the box is I would like to put a bit of bubble wrap. This one will do perfect. And then I like to put some void fill. And I get this donated. Put on your local Facebook group wanted void fill packing materials, because you'd be surprised. People even drop the stuff round to me now because they get to know me. They save it all up for me. They get all this void fill paper and stuff free, so it's worth it. So I put all this used paper, void fill, anything in the bottom, just like so. Sometimes I buy a roll like that, and that's good as well if I run out. But just put all that void fill in the bottom. That's great. And if you can see there, that's a nice load of padding for your TV. And you put your TV in there, like so. And as you can see, the TV's got some nice padding already. And then we get some more wadding and stuff. I've got a whole load here. And then just wrap it all the way around the sides. Let's see if you can see that. There we go. As you can see, put all the wadding round, put all the newspaper round, that sort of thing. That does a good job. Okay, it's going to add to the cost of the delivery, but not too much. But at least you know this item is going to get to the customer in good condition. There we go. I think a little bit more just to pack it out. There we go. Now, as you can see, that is pretty much World War III proof. That, I'll tell you what. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, there we go. Yeah, and we just tape it up. Now, what you want to do, get it between your knees like that. Get your tape gun. Pull it in all tight. I like to do all the edges as well, because as you can see, this box, I'll just show you this box here. You can see this box here, it's got a bit of a split in the edge, and that's what happens with the boxes. On the fold edge, you get the split. So if you put the tape all the way around it, like so, it's very, very simple. Like so, like that. And then put another bit on that bit there just for thickness, like so. That is good to go. We'll turn it around, make sure we've got some tape on this corner as well, like so. There we go. And then it's always worth getting a set of scales. That is one of my tips. Get some scales, and then we just weigh this one. Get it on a smooth surface, as you can see, and then we just weigh that. I should think about 10 kilos. Let's have a look. Oh, not far off, am I? 10.5 kilos. So, there we go. And then, what I suggest is also using UPS on the actual eBay, because you get really good rate on UPS. And basically, I think it's about 10 to 15 kilos, £7.77, all round about that cost. And that's bargain, and you get it if you package your items up like I am the weekend. You'll find that UPS will pick that up on Monday, and that gets to the customer Tuesday. You get a nice feedback from the customer because they've got it next day. And for £7 odd for a big item is cheap to go and brilliant. I hope you like this video. It's only a small one just to show you how I package items, and it's not the biggest of TVs, but just to show you can get big items, package them in the big boxes, protect them for World War III, and you'll be great. So give it a good thumbs up. Share this video to your friends as well, that'd be great, and subscribe and ring that ding-a-dong bell if you haven't already. We bring out videos once or twice a week, and they're all about the reselling community. Thanks very much. I'll see you soon. Bye.